Joseph Beach, welcome to the Coffee Pod. My name is She Said.
Drink the coffee, it'll make you feel better.
Feminine and loving wife cooks for her husband and his friend. And modern women online are utterly disgusted, repulsed with this video I'm about to play. The hate is unreal. So guys, I stumbled on this video on Instagram and it was captioned, "Husband called and asked if his friends from work could come over for a movie night." So you have this wife, and I'm about to play the video for you. She's getting stuff prepared, and the reaction that she got, the hate that she got from just filming herself doing this act of kindness towards her husband is almost unreal. No more wasting time. Let's get it. There she is, cleaning the toilets, towels, house looking spotless, laundry, butter in the pan. You know she's about to get down in the kitchen. Oh yeah. I don't know what she's making. Baking something, maybe desserts. You know she's done this before. Cookies, it looks like. It looks like dough. Yeah, looks like cookies. Washing the dishes. Pizza. Look at that setup. You got the pizza there. You got the beer, it looks like. Popcorn. Cookies in the oven. How many women today know how much this means? This act, this level of kindness, the simplicity in this is nuts. But the fact that she did this triggered so many women, man. I'm telling you guys, I'm not exaggerating this. This video, this video has 2.5 million views. 2.5 million views, all for the wrong reasons. Let's keep watching. I think there's a little bit left here. Okay, so there you go. Let's check out some of these comments to see what got these women so triggered. First comment here comes from a woman. She says, laugh out loud, let him do the work. I would not be making them cookies and cleaning. Gender roles, propaganda. Guys, I need to sip real quick. All right, so angry modern woman number one. Next comment here says, he asked if he could have friends over. You're not the mother, you're the wife. Another comment here says, and of course, like, they're totally discrediting the fact that when couples do have these conversations, they will say, well, we're partnerships, so we have to talk about things before you just do them. That's what he probably did. What if he just showed up with his friends and the house was a mess? She would probably complain about that too, right? So I'm assuming that's how they communicate, and she had no problem with him asking in that way. Let's check out this next comment from another woman that says, I don't know why it's apparently no longer acceptable to do nice things for your partner as a woman. Guys, pay close attention to this, because women are also noticing, not just men who may watch the Coffee Pod or other similar channels. Women are noticing if they tend to lean towards more traditional feminine roles, nurturing roles, and that's the type of dynamic they want in their relationship, they are also ostracized or may face some backlash, especially if they're open and proud about doing nice things for your man and posting on social media. You gotta think how nuts that is. That's insane, bro. What universe are we living in? Somebody, please. This shit's incredibly wild to me, man. She goes on to say, under every video I see where a woman does something sort of housework or childcare, an overwhelming amount of the people in the comments ask where the husband/father is and says rude things like, you're hurting the movement, or he needs to be more involved, or I bet he doesn't even know where the vacuum is. Honestly, people, she says, she's doing something nice for her partner. Leave her alone. She goes on to clarify, I'm all here for the feminist movement and equal pay, equal opportunity, which you already have equal opportunity, equal pay. You just have to outwork men who work very hard. And you can do that if you want to, right? But good luck. Goes on to say, but please stop policing each and everything you see.
Drink the coffee, it'll make you feel better.
Another woman here wanted to know, she says, what's her ad? Can you give her credit? so we can follow her. And so, hey, I went ahead and put her Instagram, IG here so you guys can go check her out. Another comment here says, I feel oppressed and brainwashed just watching this. So this is another feminist who's in the comment section, who's disgusted by what she sees. Another comment here says, the comment section is full of fragile femininity. So these women are kind of going back and forth and arguing. A gentleman here chimed in and said, if you're not a wife, you wouldn't understand. Just hush, women. So of course that probably added more fuel to the fire, because now a guy's coming there to support this. And here comes the pink-haired woman who says, I guess his hands are broken, she says. Nobody needs this outdated ideology anymore. Stop it. Yeah. Get your hair dyed pink like this chick. Another comment here from another woman says, imagine shaming a woman for doing something nice for her husband. Has it ever occurred to y'all that some women like to do things like this for their husband/partner? With the question mark. Let them be. 11,000 likes on that one. And they don't care is what it looks like. But a lot of women were standing up and saying, nah, man, this is enough. This is too far. There are women out here who do want to treat their men well. There are women out here who don't embrace their femininity. There are women out here who drink coffee. Like this chick who says, us real women don't claim these girls complaining in the comments. I feel bad for their boyfriends/husbands. They don't have any, so don't worry. You don't have to worry about that.
God damn it! You can't make this shit up!
And if they do, they deserve everything they get. If you're out here and your woman is like, I don't cook, I don't clean, I don't do this, I don't do that, everything's gonna be split down the middle, and you're still expected to protect her from physical harm and danger. And she hasn't also said, by the way, I will fight somebody who tries to fight you, man, woman, etc. And you haven't put that to the test, then you deserve what's coming for you. Goes on to say, imagine a relationship where you both do nice things for each other. Probably never had one. Because there's a lot of women out here, man, who think they want a partnership. But make sure you're out here working as hard as your man. Make sure you're out here doing the hard work around the house that the man does. Don't look at that man crazy and struggle to lift those boxes when it's time to move. Get over here, right? And if you can't pick the couch up, you should be hitting the gym. What's going on? Let's go. Why are you so weak? Another comment here says, came here and saw a feminist battle in the comment section when I was just like, no effing way she did all this in an hour. This guy was over there like, wow, she's quick. Goes in the comment section, boom, full battle in the comment section. Feminists versus women who are in their right minds. Next comment here says, so you treat your husband like a 14-year-old boy. I mean, the hate just kept going. Another comment here says, what's with all the miserable, in quotations, empowered women complaining about a wife doing something kind for a husband and friends? There's absolutely nothing wrong with catering, not only to your husband, but also his friends/family. She used that word, catering. It's called hospitality and being welcoming. I go above and beyond if/when my husband plans a guy's night at the house, because I want my husband treated well when he visits our friend's home too. Our husbands also respect and reciprocate. Y'all act like a bunch of scorned wenches. Another comment from another woman who didn't like what she saw says, as a real woman and wife, we do not claim these women in the comments. I honestly feel really bad for their partners. Like, God forbid, in a relationship where they do nice things for each other, I would do this for my husband just as he would do it for me if I had girlfriends coming over and I worked all day and he was at home. Yep. As always, curious to know, what do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. Listen, I appreciate you for checking out yet another episode of the Coffee Pod. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.